What's up, people? Can you hear me? Everything good?
Good morning.
Good morning, Spring.
Ready for a crazy week, huh?
Oh no, man. This is we'll see. I don't know. I'm kind of a little freaked out about it, about these candle sizes. Kind of blows risk management right out of the water, don't it?
Right.
A little crazy. If this keeps crashing, we're not going to be able to trade it. It's gonna end up hitting the lockout point. There's a certain percentage that that's overnight. I don't know about. I've never had the experience. I don't know. Fuck it, whatever. We'll see. Overnight, if it drops below 5%, they pause it. But I think there's a limit during the day too. See what it is.
Now, didn't it say they only halt it for 15 minutes? Is it 15?
Yeah,
15 minutes or something
but you can't, if you're in the trade when they do it, you can't close it. And if it bounces back up, you're done. Your account's gone.
Right.
It's your stop losses. No orders are going to work. So whatever, when it comes back after that, wherever price is, that's where it is. And stop losses aren't going to work. Take profits aren't going to work. Nothing works. And it's just another elitist thing. It's designed to protect the elites. This is not a fair and open market. Not. 9:30 right here. We're here. See what happens. These candles are massive though. Look. Let me get rid of all these drawings. I don't need them anymore. I got a picture of what's going on, but just look at this one right here. 2-minute candle, 300 ticks. This one right here, that's about normal, 180. Look at these. 743 tick 2-minute candles. To have 669. 579. When are one of those gonna hit when we're in a trade and it goes the wrong way?
That's the question. Like, you know,
like you gotta have your stop loss somewhere, right? Like, and you can't be like, oh, I'm gonna put it in the middle of the candle. It don't work.
Yeah.
It's like, don't get it wrong. Oh, okay. It's like most of the time when I do lose, I don't have the direction wrong. I have the freaking stop losses wrong or some crazy shit like way up here. So like whipsaws all the way up here 1,000 ticks and then it dumps. Lately, anyways. But we'll see. I'm not seeing nothing. I'm not seeing anything on 9:30. What in the world? What in the world? Let's look at news again. Nothing. We have 10:30. You have FOMC Googler speaking, but it's yellow folder. It's not insane. But here's a rejection off of 45. Yes, let's go to the session. All right, so previous session is right above us. We've already tackled into it. I don't even know if I want to take this June trade. Like, Jesus. This got thrown through a loop.
Yeah, I'm definitely definitely putting all my trades on lower MNQ with all this craziness going on.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
What was beeping at me? Oh, I think it stop loss was hit on that. Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking about getting into this last night manually, and I was like, nah, not after seeing the 1,000 tick whatever it was drop. And I was like, there's no way that I'm even gonna consider getting in that. You know what I mean? Because I just knew they were gonna come and fill this.
Right.
There's no way they were gonna just let it sit. And look at what they did. Here they go. They came up and they filled that gap. Well, not all the way. I don't think they got it all the way, did they? No. The gap's right here. That's where it starts. And they came up and got into it a little bit. I was like, no. I was thinking about it. I really was. I was like, this thing's been right for a long time. I was like, nah, that was some crazy shit last night. I hope nobody decided to short after that. Because when you see a freaking instantly open 1,000 tick drop at Sunday when the world isn't going through crazy stuff, you probably should just avoid it.
Right.
That's what I did. I avoided it like it was the plague. Guys, when US Open starts, I can't pay attention to chat channels and all other stuff. I have to trade. I mean, if you guys want me to chat with you instead of make sure your accounts get money in them, I can do that. Like, you can pick which one you want me to do, but I can't do both. Cannot do both. Not even for, I mean, it's moving, but it's not.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Right, so we're into the weekly zone. Doesn't really do much because it's fresh. Fresh week. Our hour and chart is looking pretty bearish. Our 4 hours getting wicked down. 5 minute, 15 minute. There you go. Yeah, I gotta turn these off for now because they're driving me crazy. Well, the daily ones just ended a short. These are just tests right now, guys. Just running tests on those. I want to actually, I want the alert for this one. Oh God, I removed my. There we go. Okay. We just blew through the again. I mean, look, 300 ticks, 400 ticks. 500 ticks, 500, 400, 300. This 1,000. Watch. People are like, just sell. I'm like, yeah, okay. Click buttons. Hmm. What the hell? See? 50 views lagging out. It's not good. Five more minutes for this orb here to be completed. We are about to break. We're about to. Well, we're kind of. We formed a bear flag on a 15-minute chart. I need a bottom to be able to draw a trend and figure out if it's going to break or not. Hmm. Here we go. gonna do. It's gonna break. This could be considered my trend here. I don't like it. What we have already broke. That looks like it should be posted in the profit loss channel. 100%. The 1200 tick range so far. The 2 minutes and the orb will be complete.
Pretty crazy. This thing is in the 16,000.
I know, this is wild. I don't know if we should trade today, man. I'm afraid to enter a position. Look at, I mean, look at,
It was
dude,
like,
this is 5
yeah,
point, this is 5.43% at this bottom. 5.77% of a drop since open.
right.
It's almost 6%. Like, if we get locked out of our accounts while we're in a trade, it's fucking over with. Like, you're done. I don't know this. Will they, hold on. Let's see if there's any more warnings or anything in here. Just hope it goes up from here. Then we don't have to worry about it. Go up. Go up. In the 16s. We were in the 20s the other day. Look, I mean, what the hell? Where's
Like literally.
where's my chart? There we go. Yeah, 20. Here's 19. Here's 20,000 right here on Wednesday.
Right. Literally. Like, this is crazy. Mm-hmm.
June, those who did not over leverage were all profitable. If they over leveraged, they were not. Just about every day, not every day, but most days we went at, I with one mini went into $1,000 in drawdown. I think 3 days last week I did, and then I pulled it out and went in to plus $1,000. Okay, so we're getting a bounce rate off of the orb. So orb's complete. And let's see what this thing is saying. We did sweep this low. This could actually be a push. It could. Should we do it? Should we do it? It's going up. I don't have a problem with it. Because then we're not going to get risking. Oh no. What is going on with my stuff here? That's pushing pretty good. How big is this? Oh my god, 500 ticks, dude. How big is this 2-minute candle? There's no risk management on that. There's none whatsoever. Because you can even if it triggers the buy, it could retrace half this candle. That's 300 ticks. That's $1,500. Look, it's retrace is starting right now. Over the zone. It. Yeah, definitely would not be fucking with that right now. Oh, look at that. It fucked up. It already went in and went out. So, well, that solves that. And shit lagged out. Took that long to load the damn indicator. Okay. I'm just gonna kill this one stream. I wonder if that's it. And everybody's like saying, "Oh, this looks so good," and blah blah blah. People, this right here is a 2-minute candle that was 500 ticks. Like, there's even with a 1 micro, that's a massive stop loss. We're gonna have to find a really good entry here, and I'm gonna need more than this. This is just a V bottom right now, but I don't want to hold. I think we're gonna come up and hit this and do an about face. Here we go again. What is up with TradingView right now? It literally, that's what happened with this right here. The indicator didn't load until after that took off. Look at this. This is a 2000 tick 15-minute candle that's formed right here. Was it today? Did I measure that right? Yeah, no, 500. 2,000 pipettes. I'm getting them mixed up. Still waiting for this thing to load up stuff. Let me try reloading the tab. Got this. We got our big old gap right there. There we go. The alerts are working. Just getting wrecked right now because the market's doing crazy shit. I probably wouldn't run that on Sundays. I don't know. Did fine last Sunday. We're getting some resistance at the trend. Nope. Oh, more. So this is gonna be a massive 15-minute candle. We're at 590, almost 600 on it. Almost 600. 616 now. So we did not get a close over the gap. 50% of the gap here. So what does that mean? Still don't have a decent way to get into this yet. Let's see what this does here. Might bull flag out, but I mean, we're talking like massive. Just two. Jesus, man. Did anyone automatically take the June trade from the bot today and win? Or did you get stopped out on a retracement? Red?
I don't know how mine because it didn't fire on my side. Um,
Yeah.
so I don't know. So I don't. No, I didn't take it. But when I finally I looked at the settings, and that's probably why I don't know how the times got changed. But it says on my trading view that it won.
Yeah, it did too on mine, but
So
mine was I had changed something. The indicator wasn't loaded when it did it. Yeah,
mm,
the
hmm
trading view lagged out, and I don't know, man. This might just be a day we don't take an entry. To be honest, I'm not thrilled about it, but you know, it's just I don't know. If this bull flags out, see, even that is just. I mean, the risk is through the roof.
hmm
I got to put my stop loss like right here if we bull flag this, and that's 200 ticks.
right.
Yeah, it looks good, but like you got to think about risk management too. You can't just be, oh yeah, the market's moving. I got to get it. No, you really don't have to, because I got to have somewhere to put a stop loss. And dude, that's massive. If this breaks this high right here, we just pretend we're getting into the trade, and our stop has got to go right there. To even make it worth it, we got to at least get a 1.5, and that's 1,100 ticks or 275, 200. Wait, 275. I don't know why I keep. Is it this one? I don't know what's wrong with me today. Like the numbers are all jumbled up. I don't care how many it is. These are just big ass fucking candles. That's a 1.63%. Damn. And this could easily just come right back underneath here, right here. Does not have to break out of this. In fact, it probably won't. There's so many people buying this bull flag right now. So many people buying. The first flag out of a break after a dump like this, loads of people buying. And look at that right there. See? Look at this right here. So if we would have bought that close on that break there, we would already be 70 ticks and drawdown right now. Not every trade is worth it. Sometimes you got to think about the risk here. And just, oh, there it's going. Well, what are you risking, right? Got to think about it. We're not getting any closes over the 50% of this gap either. Just going to do it. Is he going to do it? See, we can't even get a decent entry. Look at this. Still a minute away from the close of this candle. It's already fucking 200. Jesus, man. All right. E. There's no way I'm buying the close of this. It's gonna come all the way down here. Oh, wow. Amazing.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
I mean, I'm sure there's people out there buying it. Going, oh, this guy sucks. He ain't. Why didn't he buy that? Well, because he could have easily done this exact thing this way. This is wild as fuck right here. Look at this. Look at that. Okay, are we coming for this? Like, that's just out of nowhere, just going. Dude, they are trapping buyers right now. I'm telling you, they're gonna crash this thing. $500 ticks. Yet. getting discrepancies in data right now. NinjaTrader is not showing this pullback. NinjaTrader is still pumping, not coming down. Look at this. They're both on 2 minutes. See that?
Mhm. Yep. Yep.
Price right now is 18.
Wow.
Yeah, this is now NinjaTrader's just now showing it the dump right
Pulling
here.
back. Mm-hmm.
Order filled. Order filled.
I can't mess with this. We get a rejection off here to probably come down to the 1030 zone. Short that. Where is my thing that shows me my price over here? Over here. Yeah, we got $1,000 difference on NinjaTrader and TradingView right now. Right now we're showing 17,993, and I'm showing it's synced right now, but I think it's because price is sitting. But it was way off. It was like this dump just started happening in NinjaTrader or something. So
Order filled.
yeah, this shit is fucked.
Order filled.
Anybody else getting data discrepancies like this on their TradingView and NinjaTraders and stuff?
Because let's see, my NinjaTrader right now is saying like 17,721, let's just say, and TradingView is saying 17,6 something.
Yeah, this is $100 off.
Crazy. Yeah.
My TradingView right
It
now
was
says
more than that. Yeah, it was more than that a minute ago. Like it's crazy. It's just random. Mhm. Yeah. And I have both of them logged in, using data. So
yeah.
I don't know. Yeah. Mhm. Like it's getting closer now, but then it's like it spreads wide and then it gets a little tighter in price and then it spreads wide. Like it's all over the place this morning. But I definitely saw what you were talking about earlier too. It like yeah, it wasn't showing the pullbacks at the same time.
Yeah, no, that's
Yeah.
bad. There's something going on that you can't trade that, or you'll end up getting wrecked.
Right. Honestly, I'd rather not make a dollar than lose a dollar. Like I'd
Right? Yeah.
rather,
No.
you
It's
know,
like,
yeah, for sure. Because then you don't want to have to try to play catch up. Because I mean, I'd rather sit it out, come back to fight another day. But it's yeah, this is I don't know what's going on. I know I did read something though. Let me see. Let me go to it. Closed board meeting, April 7th at 11:30 a.m. Something about a closed meeting of the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System. hmm Uh, so they're going to have some kind of meeting today, closed to the public, of course. So it's no telling what this market is about to do here in a minute, in a little bit. And then will we have CPI this week? We have something this week. Like it's just gonna it's gonna be like get ready for the ride this week.
yeah. The fuck? I what? This is